Hello again, people. After a long hiatus, I am back, and I'm trying to produce as much content to make up for lost time. So I just finished filming the workshop tour video. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet, because it's kind of just, didn't think too much about it. I just went out and recorded it, and I'm not sure if I like it or not. But after some editing, magic of editing, I might be able to do something with it. But today I wanted to talk about these as a nice little intro video back. These are Vampliers, pliers. I guess that's redundancy, saying pliers after it. But basically, if you don't know what these are a set of very, very good pliers where if you get into trouble with a stuck screw, you basically can get them out. Now, there's a lot of different, I'll elaborate here. I'll show you, but there's a lot of different products on like eBay or Amazon, such as these. I bought these before I had these, and basically these are complete garbage. Now, I say that because I've tried countless times before. This is what prompted me to get these and spend the money on these. These are not cheap. These three, you're looking at about $150 at least in pliers here, for the three sets, or the three pairs. 3 pairs? Yeah. You're looking at least $150 for the 3 pairs here. These ones, the small ones, came as like an electronics kit, but yeah, I don't think you can buy these on their own. Maybe you can now. I don't know. But anyways, yeah, I bought these first thinking, oh, they look great. And these are these funny drill bit things. And wow, how do you even open this? There we go. These things here. So basically, the way these are supposed to work is that you choose a bit that's a little bit bigger than what you're dealing with, so you can drill the head out with this end here, and then with the opposite end, it's reverse threaded. So you put it into a drill, and it's supposed to magically make the screw turn out. I'll try that. I have something here that I don't care if it gets destroyed, so I'll show you on one of these screws, if not both, when I strip it, how ineffective and garbage these are. The problem with these is that these tend to go dull. Well, actually, both sides. These are actually pretty dull to start with. But they're just useless, completely useless. And whereas I would spend all this time to prep to use one of these, basically drilling out the head and then attempting to free it with this, I can do it in not even a quarter of the time with one of these. So I'll start to show you here. So let's take this here. So yeah, not that we typically use a drill to screw in a transistor or MOSFET to a heatsink, but just for oh my goodness, oh man, I think the head is stripped now. Let's make it really good here. Oh, jeez. Yeah, it's pretty stripped looking, I think. Let's see here. Can I get a screwdriver in there? A regular screwdriver? Oh, no. Oh, no, I'm done. Whatever am I going to do? Ring, ring. Amazon. Send me this great product that costs $20. So here how these work. Basically, you take a bit out and you basically have to fiddle with it and see. That might work, but it's a little bit small, I think. Try the next size up here. Yeah, I think that one's going to be better. Yeah, okay. So what you do now is you basically take your drill, and then you put the reaming side out like that. So what you're supposed to do now is you're supposed to like kind of clean the tip of the head, or the tip of the, oh my god, the head of the screw. It's supposed to be reversed. Just like that, kind of bores it out. Nice and smooth. And then now what you're magically supposed to do is take this And you have to put this in reverse now, otherwise it won't work. So now, watch, because I'm filming this and trying to make this solution look stupid, it'll probably work. So what you're supposed to do is reverse drill. Oh, look at that. It's not working. Big shock. Every time I have tried these stupid things, it's the same thing over and over again. It does not work. And like, there is no thread on this. I don't know how these are supposed to work, quite honestly. Like, I'm left-handed, so I'm going to switch this way. Maybe it's because I was using my wrong hand. Let's try this again. Push it really hard. What if I go the wrong way? Am I going the wrong way? Nope. It just drilled the head of the screw out even more, so now it's actually impossible. So if there was an actual chance in hell of me getting this out before with the screwdriver, it's officially gone. Completely gone. Not happening. Now, before you run out and buy, expensive set of pliers, there's of course different things you can do. You could grind that off. You could use a Dremel and just put a slot and then basically make a slot tipped flathead screwdriver tip and do it that way. Or, like I said, if you've got the money and you can spend them on these stupid pliers. Well, sorry, not stupid pliers. I'm so disgusted with these things. I've got stupid on the brain. If you have these and if you choose to buy them, and this is not an endorsement, I bought these with my own money. They haven't paid me or anything like that, although I wouldn't mind if they did. But yeah, it's completely unbiased. I formed this opinion myself, and these things are great. So it comes in 3 sizes. I bought the 3 sizes because I work on a variety of things. First is the very, very small. And you can see how these work is that you don't grip the screw like that, like you would with traditional pliers. Now, mind you, if you had the space around it, you probably could. But in this situation, you can't because the MOSFET is in the way. You can't grab it like this. I'm going to cut all that out. You can't grab it like this, so you have to grab it like this, head on. Now, with these pliers, I don't know if you can see this. Let me see if I can zoom in here. Focus. Now, with these pliers, you can see it's kind of got this, but at the front of the pliers, so you can grip when you're going head on. Let me just switch back to the original view here. So now what you can do is you can just grab onto the screw and twist. And let me see what I'm going to use. I might use these ones. So just a different size, bigger for bigger heads. So watch this. I'm going to keep it down. I'm going to grab and then just twist again, and look at that, it's already free. Now I don't know, it's actually better with these ones. So you don't have a lot of room to move, but really, as long as you can loosen that just a little bit, and you can see it coming out there. And at some point I'll be able to get the rest of it out. Because now the head of the screw is actually past the body of the MOSFET, so it'll be a lot better now. There you go. And look at that. Impossible screw has come out. So, let's see that again up close. So I'm going to keep it like this now, okay? So let's do that whole thing over again. And take that out. Put this back in. I got to hurry and make this video because they're going to be home soon. I don't like making videos when they're here. So look at perfectly good screw. Perfectly good. Sorry for the focus. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to ream it. Maybe a little bit more. I'm going to press with my left hand again. Absolutely destroyed that head. you can see there. Let me just lift this up just a little bit so I can get it in focus. Yep, completely destroyed that head. So yeah, and again, if I take a regular screwdriver, not a hope. Can't get any grip on that. So I'll show you again with the epic failure of these bits from eBay or Amazon. Okay, so you're supposed to take this, put it in here, put it in view, and drill it out. Clean out that head. You know, make room for the wonder solution, which is the reverse threaded bit. Oh. Okay, now you ready for this? Watch this. And again, if it works, I'll scream. Like, even going slow, it does nothing. Like, I am pressing so friggin' hard. Nothing. Not doing a damn thing. What a waste of money those things were. However, I take Vampliers. Actually, let me try with the small ones. Small ones might amaze me still. So, and you press, see, it's a little bit too small, I think. And press. And it's still gripping, but it falls off. The bigger ones work better. So there we go, and there, it's already loose. And here it comes. There's engineer pliers, and they do the exact same thing. They built the same, they almost look the same, except they don't have this name. I swear to God, I think you spend an extra $15, $20 just for the Vamplier name. The engineering pliers, or they're just called Engineer, they make these. They just call them Vampliers. They're just rebranded. But the Engineer ones are actually a little bit cheaper. So I'll link them below. If you do a lot of work with screws and you run into stripped screws a lot, don't waste your money with this garbage. This is just absolute garbage. I don't even know why I keep these. I might just throw them out. These do nothing, and I've proven that twice today. People that do use these on YouTube and some YouTube videos, and they swear by them and say that they work. I don't know if they're using wood screws, but they definitely don't work on hard metal screws. These are complete garbage. Spend the extra money if you can, and buy Vampliers or engineering pliers, and use those. It's just a lot less troubling. Or, like I said, if you don't have the extra cash to spend, then just grab something to make a slot on the screw and do it that way. That's it for this video. Any questions, just comment below, and I'll see you next time.